Hello, welcome to Math Scientist. Today we'll be discussing the part 2 of polity, important SSC questions and previous year questions. Let's not waste time and move on to the question number 1. Constituent Assembly was founded in the year. तो ये एक सबको बहुत important term है, ये पता होना चाहिए कि कब आई थी. तो it was formed in 1946. Very 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 important. Okay. तो Constituent Assembly का साल है 1946. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? See, you just have to understand that बहुत सारी committees बनी थी जब हमारी constitution बन रही थी, लेकिन उसमें से सबसे ज़्यादा important थी हमारी drafting committee जो कि constitution को draft करने के लिए बनी थी. तो इसके options हैं KM मुंशी, BR अम्बेडकर, DP खेतान या TT कृष्णमाचार्य. तो I hope everybody knows the answer to this is BR Ambedkar. He is also known as the father of the Indian Constitution. Don't forget this. He is the father of the Indian Constitution. Okay. Chairman of the drafting committee is B.R. Ambedkar. The permanent president of Constituent Assembly was B.R. Ambedkar, Rajendra Prasad, K.M. Munshi या जवाहरलाल नेहरू. तो permanent president कौन होगा? जो कि एक elected बंदा होगा. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हमारा permanent president बने थे डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. Please remember this fact. It's very important. Okay. The permanent president of Constituent Assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who headed the Union Powers Committee of the Constituent Assembly? As I stated earlier, there were many committees which were formed. उसमें से एक हमारी यूनियन पावर्स कमेटी भी थी. ठीक है. तो ऑप्शंस है राजेंद्र प्रसाद, सरदार पटेल, जवाहरलाल नेहरू या महात्मा गांधी. So the answer for this is Jawaharlal Nehru. And as everybody knows, he was the first prime minister of the country. Who headed the Union Powers Committee of Constituent Assembly? Jawaharlal Nehru. There were other committees also, like drafting committee as was discussed. Then there was Constitution Committee. I mean, अगर आपको देखना, आप एक बार ही देख सकते हैं, किसी भी GK की बुक में आपको बाकी committees के बारे में मिल जाएगा. But this is one of the most important committees that existed that time. Who among the following was a non-Congress member of the Constituent Assembly? So as everybody knows that Congress was a major party during the independence struggle and post independence जब हमारी constitution बन रही थी, या आप कह सकते हैं कि initial years of independence. Okay. So non-Congress member इनमें से कौन सा था? JP कृपलानी, BR अम्बेडकर, KM मुंशी या TT कृष्णमाचारी. Please remember this fact that BR Ambedkar was a non-Congress member. Okay. And he was the head of the drafting committee of the Constitution as we remember it today. Okay. Who among the following was a non-Congress member of the Constituent Assembly? B.R. Ambedkar. The residuary power of legislation under Indian Constitution rests with. So, if I was to tell you that कितनी तरीके की powers होती हैं, see, there is something known as the Union List. Okay, then there is something known as the State List. There is something known as the Concurrent List. And all these lists are mentioned in our Schedule 7. Okay. So basically list क्या करते हैं? यूनियन लिस्ट में एलिमेंट्स होते हैं जिसपे सिर्फ यूनियन लॉ बना सकता है. स्टेट लिस्ट में जो एलिमेंट्स है उसमें सिर्फ स्टेट बना सकता है लॉ. एंड कॉन्करेंट होता है जिसमें यूनियन और स्टेट दोनों बना सकते हैं इकट्ठे साइमल्टेनियसली. ठीक है. इसकी रेलेवेंस कॉन्करेंट की डोंट गेट इनटू द डेप्थ ऑफ इट, बट जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट यूनियन एंड स्टेट्स बोथ कैन मेक लॉज ऑन इट इकट्ठे. जब रेजिडुअरी की बात आती है तो रेजिडुअरी वो सारे सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. सो रेजिडुअरी पावर वो आ गई जो सब्जेक्ट्स इन तीनों में, यूनियन ना स्टेट ना कॉन्करेंट में किसी में भी मेंशन नहीं है, वो आते हैं रेजिडुअरी में. और किसके पास ये पावर आती है? हमारे पार्लियामेंट के पास. ओके. सो द आंसर फॉर दिस वुड बी द पार्लियामेंट ऑफ इंडिया. The residuary power of legislation under the Constitution rests with the Parliament. Thank you. That's all for today, and I hope you like the lecture. We will be covering many important polity questions. Just keep following the channel. Thank you.